Hi, this is Chelsea. She is 25 years old and she suffers from the heart disease sinus tachycardia.
Every day, 2,300 Americans die from a cardiovascular disease. Cardiovascular disease targets anyone and kills more than 17.9 million people globally each year. It is the world's leading cause of death.
Heart disease is the leading cause of death in the United States. The month of February is dedicated to raising awareness about heart disease and increasing knowledge about prevention. This month is known as Heart Month.
Heart Month is important because about 80% of cardiovascular diseases may be preventable with education and action.
Now back to Chelsea and her heart disease. Sinus tachycardia is a sinus rhythm with an elevated rate of impulses, and it is defined as a rate greater than 100 beats per minute in an average adult. In a normal woman, a heart beats between 60 to 90 beats per minute. Chelsea's heart beats at 120 to 130 beats per minute.
Chelsea first realized that there was something wrong with her after her father passed away in 2014. She had been under quite a bit of stress due to the loss, and she began to feel pain in her chest. She would get fevers easier as well. She finally went to the hospital after having a panic attack, something she'd never experienced before, and they diagnosed her with the disease.
While there is no specific treatment for Chelsea's heart disease, she does need to stop her smoking before that makes her condition worse. As of yet, she has limited her smoking to just 3 cigarettes a day, and she is still working on eliminating those 3.
Peripheral artery disease is a common circulatory problem that results in narrowed arteries that reduce the blood flow to the limbs of the body. Symptoms include leg pain, cramping in the hips, leg numbness and weakness, sores on your toes and feet, change in the color of your legs, and a weak pulse in your lower body. Peripheral artery disease is most commonly caused by atherosclerosis. The prognosis for PAD is good, especially with treatment. Treatment includes managing symptoms such as leg pain and using medications such as cholesterol-lowering medication and high blood pressure medication. You can help prevent PAD by not smoking, exercising regularly, eat foods with low saturated fat levels, and keeping your blood sugar good. Charles Hawtrey was a British actor from the 60s and 70s who collapsed at the Royal Hotel of Deal due to PAD. He had helped to cause this problem by smoking. He resisted treatment and died 3 years later as a result.
Atherosclerosis is a disease that occurs when blood vessels that carry oxygen and nutrients from your heart to the rest of your body become thick and stiff, sometimes resisting blood flow to your organs and tissues. Symptoms include chest pain, numbness, difficulty speaking, leg pain, high blood pressure, and kidney failure. While the exact cause is still unknown, atherosclerosis is thought to be caused by the damage of the inner layer of an artery. This can happen with high cholesterol or high blood pressure. Treatments included eating healthy, exercising, and medication, such as cholesterol and antiplatelet medications. You can help prevent this disease by living a healthy lifestyle. Prognosis is not good because this disease starts developing and damaging arteries years before you even know you have it. It can be prolonged by living a healthy lifestyle since there is no cure. Whitney Houston died on February 11th, 2012 due to accidentally drowning in her bathtub, which was caused by her atherosclerosis.
Coronary artery disease is one of the most common types of heart disease. CAD occurs when the arteries that supply blood to the heart muscle become hardened and narrowed. This is because of a buildup in cholesterol and plaque in the inner walls. Symptoms of this disease include chest pain, shortness of breath, and heart attack. Some causes of this death include smoking, high cholesterol, diabetes, or insulin resistance. Medications such as aspirin or beta blockers are often used to treat this disease. In severe cases, surgery like balloon angioplasty will be performed to widen the narrowed artery and the plaque will be pushed down. Prognosis is about 10% in the average adult. You can help prevent this disease by quitting smoking, if you do. Control conditions such as high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and diabetes. Stay physically active, maintain a healthy weight, and manage and reduce stress. Larry King, who was a former CNN interview, suffered from this disease and he had to have 2 surgeries to treat his disease.
Congestive heart failure is a disease that occurs when your heart doesn't pump blood as efficiently as it needs to. Symptoms include shortness of breath when you exert yourself, fatigue and weakness, swelling in your legs, ankles, and feet, rapid or irregular heartbeat, the inability to exercise. This disease is often the result of another condition, such as coronary artery disease, that damages and weakens your heart. Heart failure can't always be reversed, but treatment can help to reduce the condition's effect on the body. The treatments include exercising, reducing sodium in your diet, managing stress, and losing weight. A doctor will also prescribe medications such as angiotensin converting enzyme inhibitors and beta blockers. In some instances, doctors will repair heart valves or control a fast heart rhythm. You can help prevent this disease by not smoking, eating healthy, controlling conditions such as high blood pressure, staying physically active, and managing and reducing stress. Elizabeth Taylor suffered from this disease, leading to her unfortunate death in 2011.
What you can do to help protect yourself from heart disease is controlling your blood pressure, keeping a healthy diet, getting regular exercise, limiting alcohol, not smoking, managing stress, and keeping track of cholesterol levels. Some things are not preventable, but being aware and staying healthy will lower the risk.
People can help by educating themselves on heart health and promoting heart health to everyone around them.